Washington, D.C. A person familiar with the accord told the Associated Press on Sunday that Japan and the Netherlands had agreed to a pact with the U.S. to limit China's access to minerals used to create advanced computer chips. Due to the fact that the deal has not yet been properly announced, the person declined to give their name. When the agreement will be made public by the three parties is unknown. The White House chose not to respond. Export restrictions were put in place by the Biden administration in October to prevent China from gaining access to cutting-edge electronics that could be used to develop weapons, violate human rights, or enhance military logistics. Allies like Japan and the Netherlands were pushed to do the same. Wang Wenbin, a spokesman for China's foreign ministry, said earlier this month, "We hope the relevant countries will do the right thing and work together to defend the multilateral trade framework and safeguard the stability of the global industry and supply chains. This will safeguard their long-term interests as well." Dutch and Japanese officials were in Washington for discussions with President Joe Biden's National Security Advisor, Jake Sullivan, about the safety and security of emerging technologies, efforts to support Ukraine, and other topics, according to a statement from the White House National Security Council's John Kirby on Friday. "We appreciate that they could visit Washington, D.C., and have these discussions," Kirby added. Rutte was asked about the negotiations during a news conference last week, but he responded that they included such sensitive material, high-quality technology that the Dutch government decides to disclose about it very cautiously, and that means in a very limited way. Leading manufacturer of equipment for the creation of semiconductors ASML, based in Veldhoven, the Netherlands, said on Sunday that it was unaware of the specifics of the arrangement or how it might impact ASML's operations. The only manufacturer of equipment that uses intense UV lithography to create cutting-edge semiconductor chips is ASML. Since 2019, ASML has been unable to export that machinery to China, despite the fact that it was still sending inferior lithography systems there. According to U.S. officials, China is investing substantially in the growth of its young semiconductor manufacturers but so far is unable to produce the high-end chips used in the most cutting-edge smartphones and other gadgets. Thank you for listening and don't forget to subscribe.